I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy S26 smartphones, okay? So very simple. So first thing is simply just go to your settings. We're going to go to settings here. Now from settings, we're going to scroll all the way down to go to the very bottom where it says about phone. Tap on that. And now from here, you want to scroll all the way to the very bottom where it says reset. We're going to tap on reset. Let's scroll down a little bit. And now the very bottom down here, it says factory data reset. Let's tap on this. Now, this part here is very important, okay? It says all data will be erased from your phone, including, now it says Google account here. Now, if it says your personal Gmail on here, if it's on here, and then you go all the way down here and we do the reset, once you do the setup again, once you're 3/4 of the way finished the setup, in order to complete it, you have to end up going and getting your Gmail and your password that was synced to this phone. So if you're selling this phone and you have a Gmail in there, you want to go back and remove that Gmail from here, then come back here and then go all the way down and then tap on reset. Okay, anyway, I'm going to proceed here. I'm going to go with reset. Let me go ahead and put in my PIN here. And once you do this, this cannot be undone, okay? So I'm gonna go for it, delete all, shutting down, booting back up. And voila, we are in business. Pretty simple. Questions or issues, comment below.